Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to factory reset your Google Pixel 4 XL. This is an important step to take if you are experiencing issues with your phone or if you are planning to sell it or give it away. Now, before we begin, I want to remind you that factory resetting your phone will erase all of your data, including apps, contacts, and photos. So make sure you back up your important data. Now, now go to settings and look for system, and now as you can see, reset options. Now here you will find different options, but we are going to erase all data and factory reset our phone. So tap on erase all data. Now as you can see, it will erase everything on your phone, including apps, music, photos, and other files. So tap on erase all data. Now it's want to confirm again. Erase all data. Now it will restart your phone. Now phone is rebooted. Erasing. Now tap on get started. Skip. Setup on the offline. Continue. Settings. Set. Now if you want to set up a pen, I will skip this. Now as you can see, your phone is now factory reset. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.